Let's review how to use the Religious Accordion on our member page. Select the Self section, then the Member page. Click on the Religious Accordion title bar to access this resource. A structured modal overlay appears, transforming the workspace into a specialized repository for tracking religious affiliations. Enter key details such as membership name, term period, expiration date, and cost into the clearly listed input fields. Add direct contact information including department, phone, email, and web link. Use the comments section to note renewal reminders or key details. Click the Save Disk icon when ready. Your information instantly appears in a secure data box within the interface, where you can edit, download, delete, or share it via a secure email link. It transforms routine entry tracking into clear, audit-ready profiles, allowing legal teams to maintain precision over important administrative records. And that's how you use LawWiz Religious Accordion.